This video I will be showing you how to create AI images using Canva. The first thing you want to do once you're on Canva, you're going to select what you would like to create your AI image for. So let's say for example I'm creating my AI image for a social media post on Instagram. All I will need to do is select Instagram post. After doing that, you'll be redirected to a blank page. Once on this blank page, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to select apps. After selecting apps, I want you to tap on the top of the search bar and you're going to type in AI images, so you can do that real quick. After typing in AI images and tap on enter, you can see different apps that you can use. So for example, you can select AI image gen. After tapping on AI image gen, as you can see right here, all you need to do is type in a prompt and then from there you can tap on create. So for example, if I were to tap on surprise me, you can see right here it is generating an image. And you'll give it a few seconds and then from there you can see your image has been added right there. And let's say for example I were to type in red car. So let me do that real quick. Red car, then tap on enter or create, better yet. You can see the image right here that will be added to our Instagram post. So just give it a few seconds, you can see it right there. Then all I would need to do is simply tap on the three dots, then tap on set image as background. And you can see that it does look very realistic. Now, all I would need to do if I want to use another AI app is tap on apps once more in the bottom left hand corner. Murph AI is an app that will allow you to use AI voiceover, but Mojo AI is one that we can also check out. With Mojo AI, we can tap on it, and then from here you can see that you can also type in prompts. Then from there you can tap on generate sample ideas right here. Another thing that you can also do, you can upload your image to convert it to AI. So you could tap on choose file and you could choose the style that you want. Here you could choose to type in a prompt as you see right here, or you can simply tap here to generate sample ideas. After doing that, you can choose the style that you want. So let's say for example photographic. Then all we'll need to do now, you can choose the aspect ratio as you can see right there. After doing that, you'll tap on create masterpiece. And here you can see the image. And if I were to tap on the three dots that says more, then tap on set image as background, you can see the AI image right there. And it does look very realistic. And again, you have different styles that you can choose from. You can choose cinematic, you can choose fantasy art or anime as you can see right here. And if we were to go back once more and tap on apps, from there you can also see other apps that you can use. So for example, a popular one is Dale. So you could tap on Dale right there. Then from there you could tap on open. After tapping on open once more, all you'll need to do is simply type in a prompt. So for example, if I were to type in a prompt right there and tap on generate, you'll just give it a few seconds and you can see the AI images that it creates. So just give it a few seconds while it is loading up and you can see them right here. And all you'll need to do is select the one that you would like to use. As you can see, there are two different options. You can simply tap on the one that you would like to use, then tap on the three dots, and from there you could tap on set image as background. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If it is a case that you would like to learn how to create AI videos using Canva, you can click the link right here or you can tap on this video.